give me to drink. Give me to drink, give me to drink, give me to drink, give me to drink. My family is thirsty, God. Give me to drink. The nations need water. Make me a well. Make me a well. Make me that well. And give me to drink. Hallelujah. When she said, give me to drink, she said, Lord, I'm willing to be that well that will carry the water to the city. I will carry the water to the city. The water was at the well, but she became the well that the city needed. Is there anybody that can say, Lord, make me that well that will go to the city and give thirsty men to drink?
Hello and welcome to Community Worship Center, where the Word of God is the broken bread and the naked truth. Join us for our service already in progress.
Hallelujah. When you look at trouble, you need to look at it and say you are temporary. Oh, if you could have killed me, I would have dead long time ago. You are only here for a season. In a few days, I will see the salvation of the Lord with me. You are temporary. You are temporary. Can you call the name of the trials come at you and said financial struggle? You are temporary. Every demons and devil, witch and warlock, curse, necromancy, evil altars, you are temporary. You're messing with my kids. Temporary. Can somebody say temporary stuff? Somebody look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, I know you're going through right now, but God said they are called temporary stuff. Just go through your process. Endure it. It's just a process. Do the winds and water raise and the billows rock the ship of mine. The rudder said, I shall rest in the eyes of the storm. I feel my rest coming. I feel my rest coming. Somebody says, coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. It's coming.
Thank you for choosing CWC.